So what's up guys? So welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, ang channel na ito ay nagtuturo ng online tutorials, review investment platforms, at kung gusto mong kumita gamit ang earning site, kung interesado ka sa ganitong content, huwag mong kalimutan magpindot ng subscribe button at hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa susunod nating videos. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational for. So what's up guys? Welcome back to our new YouTube video tutorial. So for today's video, I am going to show you how to get USJ ticket at Lawson convenience store. So first, we are going to show you how to get. So we will go to the Loopy machine and we get the information here. You can set into English and then press back and press back again and then press back again and go to menu. And here the menu, you can select that, and the logo is the plain. You can select that logo number 2, and USJ ticket is available at number 2. So you can press that. You can pause the video and you can translate again. So this is the Universal Studios Japan, and after that you can press the USJ Japan, Universal Studios Japan. So after that, click X. And then here we go. So here we have the option. So as we can see here, it is written in Japanese. So we can translate it. So this is the Studio Pass and Twilight Pass. So first select that option in the first list, and 1 day pass. And this is the available date. So you can press that performance date. So this is the translation of the performance date, and the one is release date. So first we click the performance date. Yan. So for performance date, and after that you can select the date that you want to go into USJ available. So today is April 21. So we will select April 30. So we will be there at April 30, 2025 this year. So this is the ticket available. So you can select 1 day studio pass at the 3 bottom line. And then 1, 2, 3, and this is the 1 day pass studio. And you can press that. Select this option, and after that select the date that you want to go there in the USJ, and April 30, 2025, and you can check this the note. The Nintendo is not available in Loopy machine, but if you want to go there in the USJ, so it's okay, the ticket is available here for free. So after that, click 1 day studio pass and double check again the date that you want to go there in the USJ. And after that, select the double check again the date that you want to go there, and then the amount that you want to pay, and then select how many tickets you want. So I'm going to show you at 10 tickets. And that after that, you want to double check again the performance date or the date that you want to go there, and then click next and click agree, And if you have no points, no other points, Visa points, so click IE. And you must write your name. So the one who avail the ticket, and your number and name, and next is your email address. So if you have email address, you can write your email address here, an active email for emergency purposes. And after that, guys, you must click the next button at the bottom. And if you don't have email, that's okay. Just click next. And here it is. So you can select male, female, or so you can post this video and then you can translate it at in your own. So I will select male. So this directory is you want to select where did you live here in Japan. So the next is how old are you? So you can select the 30s. And after that, you can double check again performance date, the performance date, the name, the information, and then click next. EA or hi, just click hi, and then you will get your the receipt that you want to pay at the cashier. So here it is. So that's it. How you are going to get USJ ticket in Loopy machine at Lawson convenience store. So 7-Eleven and Family Mart doesn't have this Loopy machine. So what are you waiting, guys? So just get your ticket here at Lawson convenience store.